Let me show you how to set this up for floor sitting for your child. We're starting out with the sitting support, and basically you place your child in. For the smaller kids, this side support is high enough so that it is going to cover most of their back. For the older kids, it may only go about midway up their back. For some children, this will be enough support for them to start to learn how to sit up. For some kids, they may need a little bit more support in between their legs. So you can take one of the smaller rolls and bend it and place it in between their legs to give them that cue on the inside of their legs so that they're surrounded both on the outside and the inside of their legs. You can also use a strap to help give them a little bit more support if needed. Now, for the children that are doing well with sitting with the sitting support, you can move it to the next level by challenging them and actually use the large roll and place them here. So you can see it's coming much lower on their back, so it is a bigger challenge for them. You can then again use the roll, the small roll in the front, to support the legs. Again, a strap can be used if necessary. And then with this, you can actually work on them moving side to side and reaching forward. Having the lower roll just gives them a little bit more flexibility to be able to move around.